National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sherburne County, central Wright County, northwest Hennepin County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Maple Lake, or 9 miles northwest of Buffalo, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Elk River, St. Michael, Otsego, Monticello, Big Lake, Albertville, Rockford, Annandale, Maple Lake, Hanover, Greenfield, Silver Creek, South Haven, Buffalo Airport, Lake Maria State Park, and Rassat. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Hennepin, Sherburne, and Wright. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern McLeod.